Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ecom Global. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important parts of running successful TikTok ads, your creative. Because no matter how perfect your targeting or budget is, if your ad creative doesn't grab attention, your campaign will fail. TikTok is different from Facebook or Google. It's fast, entertaining, and very visual. People scroll in seconds, so your ad must feel like a TikTok, not like a boring advertisement. Here are some best practices you should always keep in mind. First, the hook. The first 3 seconds are everything. If you don't stop the scroll, your ad is dead. Use bold text, show movement, or start with a question like looking for clear skin or want to save money on your next meal, something that instantly relates to your audience. Second, keep it short and snappy. 10 to 20 seconds is usually enough. People on TikTok don't want long explanations. Show your product, show the benefit, and keep it moving. Third, make it look native. Your ad should blend in with regular TikToks. Use trending sounds, natural lighting, and even shoot on a phone. If it looks too polished or like a TV commercial, people will swipe away. Fourth, focus on benefits, not features. Instead of just saying, "This is a water bottle," show someone using it in a real-life moment, at the gym, at work, while traveling, and highlight the benefit, like stay hydrated anywhere without leaks. Fifth, add a clear call to action. Tell people what to do next. Click the link, order now, or book your appointment today. Without a CTA, people will just scroll away. And here's something many people ignore. Test multiple creatives. Don't just rely on one video. Run 3 to 5 variations with different hooks, captions, or styles, then keep the winner and cut the losers. TikTok is all about testing and learning. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually make these ads? How do I edit, pick the right sound, write the copy, and make sure it actually works? Don't worry, that's where I can help you. If you want me to guide you step by step or even create winning ad creatives for your business, just contact me directly on WhatsApp. It's the fastest way to get in touch, and I'll personally answer your questions and help you with the best creative strategies. So remember, the creative is the heart of your TikTok ads. Even with the perfect targeting, without a strong creative, you won't get results. But with the right style, hooks, and CTAs, your ad can go viral and bring you customers every single day. Don't waste time guessing. Send me a WhatsApp message today, and let's build TikTok ads that actually work for your business.